Want your MacBook to run faster? Let's optimize it in simple steps. Step 1. Clear your desktop. Fewer files mean better performance. Move unused files to trash and empty it regularly. Step 2. Check your startup programs. Remove unnecessary apps that launch automatically when you start Mac. Step 3. Open Activity Monitor to check resource-heavy apps. Identify apps using too much CPU or memory and close them if not needed. Step 4. Manage storage to prevent slowdowns. Click About this Mac, then Storage and Manage to see recommendations. Enable optimized storage and automatic trash emptying. Remove old downloads and large files you no longer need. Consider using trusted cleaning apps for cache and junk removal. Step 5. Reduce browser clutter. Close unused tabs and extensions. Disable unnecessary browser extensions to free up memory. Step 6. Keep your macOS and apps updated.
Updates fix bugs and improve performance.
Step 7. Keep your MacBook cool. Overheating slows it down. Avoid using it on soft surfaces. Let air circulate. Step 8. Close apps running in the background that you don't need. Quit apps properly instead of minimizing them. Step 9. Clear browser cache regularly for faster browsing. Move files to iCloud to free local storage.
Step 10. Remove unnecessary desktop widgets and animations.
Enable automatic login only if secure, otherwise keep login security. Adjust energy saver settings to improve battery life and performance. Use Spotlight to quickly find apps instead of manually searching. Organize your files with folders and tags for easier access. Restart your MacBook regularly to refresh system resources. Now your MacBook is running smoother and faster than before. Follow these steps regularly and enjoy a high-performance Mac experience.